iPhone hacks that I guarantee you didn't know about, especially if you have to take notes on it. You probably already know that if you want to draw something in the Notes application, you can do that by tapping on this pencil icon, and now you can draw whatever you want to. But these shapes are clearly not perfect, so if you want to draw something with perfectly straight lines, this is how to do it. Simply draw whatever you want to, but don't lift your hand off of the screen and then wait for 1 second. iPhone is going to do its magic and turn it to a perfect shape just like that. Hopefully this helps, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace! Did you know about 99% of iPhone users actually never use this feature? And if you're one of those, I would highly suggest you start using this. It's called Emergency Contacts, and it shows up in your phone's lock screen under Medical ID. It shows the contact information of the emergency contact person right there. And as the name gives, it's extremely useful in a situation when you have to quickly contact somebody, or if a stranger finds you in a medical emergency situation and they're actually willing to find someone for you. Now I'm going to show you guys how to do it. Simply find the contact that you want and tap on Add to Emergency Contacts. It's going to ask you about the relationship with them, and that's it. It's done. Hopefully this helps. Make sure to follow me for more, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace. iPhone trick that I 100% guarantee you didn't know about. Did you know you can change this traditional way of swiping up and down into this much more modern and cooler way to do it? It works for Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, whatever application you have. Let me teach you how to do it. Go into your settings, then scroll down to accessibility, then touch, then assistive touch, and scroll down to where it says create new gesture. This is where you can save whatever gesture you want on the screen. Once you've done it, call it whatever you want, swipe up and down. Make sure that you have one for both of them. Then simply go back into touch and scroll down to where it says back tap, and this is where you can choose double tap or triple tap and assign it to swipe up and down, and that's it. Now you can show off the modern way of swiping up and down, maybe prank a couple of people. Hopefully this helps, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace. This is how you can assign a picture to any of the contacts available in your phone. Simply go into your photos and select the photo that you want to assign. Then tap on this menu icon and click on Assign to Contact. And then you can choose the contact from the contact list. And once you do that, just tap on Choose and then update your contact. Now, whenever they call you, you would be able to see their pictures. If you're done with this kind of in-app notification about rating their application, this is what you should do. Go into Settings, scroll down to where it says right here, iTunes and App Stores. Then scroll down to where it says in-app rating and review. Simply turn it off or turn it on, whatever you want to do with it. Hopefully this helps. Peace. This is how every iPhone user should be sending New Year's message to anyone. To do that, simply write down whatever you want to say, then tap and hold on to this blue icon. It has to be blue icon for it to work, and then it'll show you a bunch of these options. Tap on screen, and then now you can swipe through all of these available animations. Once you have selected one, you can send it by tapping on that blue icon, and it'll show this animation to the next person. Hopefully this helps, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace. If you own an iPhone, you have to do this right away. Go into your system, then software update, and make sure that you update to 14.3. I just can't get enough of this update animation, by the way. Anyways, this is why you should update. Go into your settings after you've done it, click on camera, then at the top format, you would see this camera raw option. This feature is basically steroids for all of your future photos. It has been in the Androids for a very long time, and having it in iPhone is just groundbreaking. This is how to turn it on. When you're taking a picture, tap on this raw option at the top right corner. And now when you take the picture, it will be with camera raw. That photo should also have this tag of raw right there. Now this raw feature has DNG format, which saves a lot more data inside of it. This will help iPhones compete with any professional cameras out there very easily. In the next video, I'll show you guys exactly what kind of businesses you can start with any iPhone. So stay tuned for that. Peace. If you own an iPhone, watch carefully because this is about to save your life at some point. Make sure that you go into Settings, then Emergency SOS, make sure that it's turned on, and set up Emergency Contacts in Health. Look at what it says. They will receive automatic messages with your current location every time you call for SOS. So once you tap on it, it'll give you all the information that you have. Tap on Edit at the top and make sure that you have filled all of this information, especially add emergency contacts. You can select anyone that you choose. Now they will be automatically notified if you ever had to call SOS. Hopefully this helps. Make sure to follow me for more. Peace. Did you know iPhones can help you figure out if your special someone is being honest with you or not? If you don't trust me, watch this. Simply open up your contact, then tap this edit option, then scroll down to ringtone and tap on emergency bypass option and turn this on. When this option is turned on, their phone would ring even if it's on silent or do not disturb mode. Now they can't say that as a reason for not picking up your phone. Hopefully this helps, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace. Here is one of the free built-in features in any iPhone that make them so much more expensive. This is the latest brand new iPhone 12 Pro Max that is capable of letting me know exactly which password on what website that I've saved is being compromised. Here's how to get to them. Go into your settings, then password, then security recommendations, and make sure that you have turned on detect compromised passwords. Now you should be able to see all of the list of passwords that have been compromised, and the top ones are the highest risk ones. This is actually an iOS 14 feature, so it should be available for any suitable model of iPhone. Hopefully this helps, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace. Did you know when your kids are watching any YouTube or Netflix videos on any iPhone or iPad or any device from Apple, you can actually lock all these functionalities of the phone, including touchscreen, volume control, and home button as well. This is extremely helpful so they don't end up calling 911 or something like that. And this is how to set it up. Go into your settings, then scroll down to accessibility, and then scroll down to guided access. Make sure to turn it on and put a password on it, as well as have an alarm system that will let you know if it's turned off. And you're pretty much good to go. Now you can open up an application and triple tap the home button or whatever button that you selected. Then you can select which area of the screen you want turned off. You also have different advanced options here where you can turn off different buttons on the phone as well. You can also turn off the keyboard option in case you don't want them to search any videos. Once you say done and start, you can set up the password to turning this off. Once this is turned on, everything else on the screen is working except for those buttons that we turned off. And just like that, you can also select the entire screen. This is how to use any TikTok video as a video wallpaper on your lock screen. Simply open up the video that you want to download, then tap on these three dots, then save it as live photo. It's going to get saved onto your Photos application. Simply open it up and go into the menu of that photo. And here you can choose it as save as wallpaper and pick whichever one you would like. I'll choose lock screen, and now it's saved. Hopefully this helps, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace. This is how to get rid of all these ads that show up while playing these free versions of mobile games, especially if it's your kids playing these games. Now, I completely understand how these ads are supporting the developers, but if it's done too much, especially if children are playing these games, then you have to change things around. And the simple solution for this is to simply turn off all the Wi-Fi and data connection, and that's it. Simply restart the game, and you will not see any of the ads anymore. Hopefully this helps, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace. This is another iPhone trick that you probably didn't know about. Tap and hold on to any app and simply tap on edit home screen. It's going to start shaking like that. Move the app just a little bit and hold it there. Then tap on any of the other applications that you have to move. And now you can move them all like that at the same time. And it's going to save you a bunch of time. Hopefully this helps. Make sure to follow me for more, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace. If you own any kind of iPhone, this is the new way of copying and pasting the text. Simply select it all and pick it up using 3 fingers like that on the screen, and drop it down using 3 fingers anywhere to simply paste it. Hopefully this helps. Make sure to follow me for more, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace. Did you know you could use your Airpods to actually spy on somebody and listen to what they're talking about from a distance? All you need to do is go into your settings, then Control Center, and make sure that you tap on this hearing and add this onto your Control Center. After that, simply go into your Control Center and tap on this ear icon. This is where you're going to see your AirPods are connected to your phone. Simply tap on Live Listen to listen to whatever is happening around your phone. Hopefully this helps. Make sure to follow me for more. Peace. This is how you can use your iPhone as a live translator in a conversation happening with someone that does not speak English. Simply make sure that your iPhone is up to date with iOS 14, and that will come with the new application for Translate. This has much more conversational features now, where you can actually translate without having the need of data as well. Once you start, this is how the application looks. Simply turn your phone like this, and you can have a live translation happening like that. Simply start talking to it by tapping on that button like this. Hi, how are you? It takes just a second and gives you the translation right there. You can tap on this full screen button, and now you can show it to anyone at a distance as well. Hopefully this helps. Make sure to follow me for more, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace. This is another iPhone trick that you probably didn't know about. Tap and hold on to any app and simply tap on edit home screen. It's going to start shaking like that. Move the app just a little bit and hold it there. Then tap on any of the other applications that you have to move. And now you can move them all like that at the same time. And it's going to save you a bunch of time. Hopefully this helps. Make sure to follow me for more, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace. This is how to delete any contact in your iPhone. I'm sure you would never have to do this, but here goes. Go into your phone app, then tap on contacts and look for the contact that you want to delete. You won't be able to see the delete option right here. You would have to tap on edit and then scroll all the way down and you'll see the delete option right there. Hopefully this helps, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace. This is how to add your family or friends to speed dial on an iPhone. Simply go into your phone application, locate the contact, then tap on it, and simply scroll down to where it says add to favorites. If they have multiple ways to contact, you can choose whichever you want to be added to favorites. Once you do that, it's going to be added to the list. Now, instead of going through all the contact list to find the one that you want to contact the most, you can simply switch over to favorites and it's going to be right there. You can edit and switch the places around if you have multiple of them. Hopefully this helps, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace. This is how to add your family or friends to speed dial on an iPhone. Simply go into your phone application, locate the contact, then tap on it, and simply scroll down to where it says add to favorites. If they have multiple ways to contact, you can choose whichever you want to be added to favorites. Once you do that, it's going to be added to the list. Now, instead of going through all the contact list to find the one that you want to contact the most, you can simply switch over to favorites and it's going to be right there. You can edit and switch the places around if you have multiple of them. Hopefully this helps, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace. These are 3 tips to help you master one-handed use of iPhone no matter what the size of the screen is. For the first one, if you want to reach the top of the screen and you don't have a home button, then swipe down in the bottom middle of the screen like that. It's going to bring the screen down. And if you have a home button, then double tap the home button to bring the entire screen down. For the next one, if you have to go back in your previous menu, instead of tapping the top button, you can actually swipe right, and that's how you can go back in the previous menu as well. And for the last tip, if you're typing something out using one hand, you can tap and hold this globe button and it's going to bring out this menu. At the bottom here, we have left and right side of the keyboards. Depending on which side you're at, you can tap that side. Now the keyboard would be shifted to that side of the screen. Hopefully this helps, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace. Let me know if you want me to make the full video on this.